channel, Bleu Lotus Gardens. How are y'all doing today? Today, I am doing an unboxing from my plant store. A pretty large order, so that way I could show y'all how the plants were going to be, how the plants will arrive, and that way you know what you'll be expecting from our plant shop. All right, let me get the scissors. As y'all see, it's a huge box. Are you excited for the plants? I'm excited. Oh my god. So this is how your order will be packaged. Here's one of them. Here's the last two. So as you see behind here, we have the plants I ordered. I'm so excited. This one is a 6-inch. Here's my order. Yep. So all your plants are going to be will arrive in this cardboard, so that way you know your plant is safe throughout the whole process. This little poker on the slits, so I couldn't take it off. So this is what it was in the slit, so that way it was stable in there. Your plants will be carefully packaged like this. Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it? Look at it. This is a Calathea Gray Star. There's a rubber band on that, so that's nice. It's carefully packaged in this nice little sleeve. I want to reuse the sleeve, so I'm trying to keep it safe. Okay, there we go. Alright, we have a Calathea Gray Star right here. It's a 6-inch. We have them available on our website. Next. Oh, you're growling because you see yourself in the video. Oh my god, how silly are you? Okay. Unboxing it from the bottom. Like this, so that way we can slide it up. Here we are. So this is a 4-inch money tree. It comes in this nice little 4-inch pot, and also in a 6-inch pot available as well. Very nice. This one's really young, so you see how it's braided right over here. So I think that's really nice. This is probably the Hoya that I ordered. This is a Hoya variegata. these guys go really fast. So when you're placing an order, some of the more popular items will go fast. So sometimes you will see it in the first day, and then the next day it might be sold out. But we work with multiple small business suppliers, so that way we try to source it as fast as we can and restock it. So I always try to post updates on my Facebook business page, and then also on Instagram as well. Different new bundles that we add. Here's the last one. This last one is this is our 4-inch Raptorforma Tetrasperma. It looks really, really cute. We have them available in 4-inch right now. We have a wide selection of plants available, all for beginning plant parents and seasoned plant parents alike. We'll offer bundles for everybody. There's some that are for new plant parents as well, and some also just some really fun categories. So take a look at our selection at bluelotuslife.com. Pick your plant today and enjoy. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for all the support. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and we see more of y'all to come. Bye.